Okay, are you ready for the easiest recipe ever? This sweet and salty candied bacon is crispy and caramelly, and it only takes 2 ingredients to make: bacon and brown sugar. It's so delicious with breakfast, on a burger, on a BLT. You can even crumble it over ice cream. Start by lining a sheet pan with some parchment paper. This is a crucial step because it's going to keep the bacon from sticking to the pan, but also makes for really easy cleanup. Lay out a few strips of bacon and then sprinkle them with brown sugar all over the top. You can use thick cut bacon or regular, light brown sugar, dark brown sugar. It really doesn't matter. Just use what you have. And then use your fingers to press down the sugar into the bacon and then bake at 350 for about 20 minutes or so. A little longer if you're using thick sliced bacon, but just take it out when it's browned and caramelized and crispy. Now, this is the most important part. You have to transfer it to a wire rack right after it comes out of the oven. Otherwise, it's going to stick to the pan. And then let it cool down completely and you can eat it. But try not to eat it all in one sitting because it's really addictive. You've been warned.